Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what is coming next for you. Charms reading. Yes, friends, the most awaited reading you were waiting for. It is here now. Friends, this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime, friends, but this usually lasts for 7 to 10 days or 15 days, so that's how it is. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, and if you want to buy your own 2021 readings, they have started. The bookings are hot now, so make sure to grab yours before it's too late, because I'm currently sold out. But email me, I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If you have already emailed me, thank you so much. I will be getting back to you shortly. And this is a charms reading, friends, and excuse my throat, please. This is a charms reading, friends, and it may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind, and happy new moon. Yes, friends, I'm doing this on the new moon. This reading is for the 16th of November to the 22nd of November. So, God, it is timeless, but you can watch it anytime. Although we are doing it for this week, but it is a timeless reading. It will still help you out anytime, friends. And any other announcement? Yes, make sure to subscribe, like, and share our channel, because you can win. For those who subscribe our channel, you have a chance to win a free reading at the end of this month. So subscribe, like, and share, friends. One lucky winner will be selected. It's my humble way to give you back. And let's not talk and begin the reading. Let's take a deep breath and choose option number 1, the beautiful crab. Option number 2, the peacock. Option number 3, the shark. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section, so you can directly go there and choose your option. You can watch the entire video, and you can also pause the video and take more time in choosing your pile. They are thick piles today. Let's see what is in store for you for those who chose option number 1, the beautiful crab. So for those who chose option number 1, this crab, I will be pulling the charms later. This is your advice. These are your oracle messages. Let's see your cards. Let's see what's happening this week for you. 9 of Autumn. Wow, you are busy working. Your focus is on work, money. I definitely see this is, you are busy, because crabs are busy. You see, crabs are walking all the time on the seashore. They are busy people. They are never free. So definitely this is your busy week. I see you focusing on self-work, self-love, self-worth. I see you, some of you are focused on money. Some of you are focused on career. I also see some of you are focused on learning something new, improving your life. That's the theme this week, I feel. You want to improve your life. No settling down for less. That's for sure. The 10 of winter, you had been through a lot, friends. Things have not been easy for you. This year has been a pressure cooker for you, a pressure situation for you. I do feel some things have been ending for you, some difficulties, some challenges, or you want to step out of some challenges or some situations in your life. I do feel you might be feeling restricted because of money or because of your career. I do see some relief coming for your way, friends, especially in this week. Some relief, some hope, some clarity coming your way. 8 of Autumn, again a very busy week, friends. You are very busy. I see you working on your goals, your dreams. I see you planning, and I see you keeping yourself to yourself. You are focused on your work. You don't Gossip is not something you want to do. I also don't see you socializing much, because here you are alone, here also you want change. This week, you want to change something in your life, or you're working on improving your life, working on coming out of a dead end. I feel something is ending. or shifting for you. Shifting for you, like maybe you're ending something, the resolution of difficulties, a weight lifted off your shoulders, the end of addiction or codependency. So, some bad situations are bye bye from your life, and you are entering. I think you are connecting with your power, and you're focusing on working, learning something new, uh, earning also. Some of you are going to start, maybe if you are a student, you might start teaching younger kids, or might start teaching, so you are also earning. Even if you are into textiles or crafts, you might start teaching or sharing your knowledge, and money is coming. So there is learning and there is earning, so both are tied together this week. What else? The dreamer. Wow, you want to change your life, your dreams. You are closing your eyes and feeling this new start in your life. Maybe some of you will travel this week. I also feel you are dreaming big this week, like you want to change your country, your city, your location. You're planning. It is all in your head what you want to do. Some of you may be starting your own jobs this week, or maybe a new job offer is coming, or some relief is coming in your work and career. The world, yes, a new start, a powerful new start, a brilliant success, freedom to go in any direction, a journey that's now complete. That's beautiful. I do see, friends, that some of you want to change your life. You want to live somewhere else. You want a new home. You want to travel. You want to discover new areas of life. And it is all right now in your planning. You are going to achieve it very soon. Not this week, but you are planning for it. Six of Autumn, yes, balance in money is coming. Your hard work, your patience is about to pay off in money and education, definitely in your career. All the hard work and patience you have shown, it will be rewarded. Eight of Winter, you are fed up of restrictions. You are just fed up of restrictions. I see it is a tough week for you to stay in your home, but I would suggest you to do so, because I don't see that this is your time to actually go out and travel. But I do see some of you might have to travel for work. You might be forced to travel for work, or you are forced to change your homes, like it is time for you to change a home or something. But you are planning all this. You are definitely planning money, planning, working on plans, making new plans, working on plans. You are planning. This is your week to plan. This is your week to learn, gain wisdom, plan. When it comes to relationships, I feel that there is a relationship which is not going so well, because you feel restricted, or the person is restricted, like they are not talking, you are not in contact. This is a long distance relationship, there is less contact. I also feel that this person wants to break free and come towards you this week. They want a new start with you. They want to work on this relationship. They want to give you back, because this person was not giving you back anything in the past. This person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel, friends, it could be that you yourself uh, are dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So someone is realizing your value. I think you have moved away. There has been an ending in a relationship or a marriage. Things have been at a pause. Now this person is missing you, and they want to have a new start with you. They want to make things work with you, and they want to give to you. They want to, if other person or another relationship was stopping them, or distance was stopping them, they want to break free out of it. At least that's in their mind. We will see more with the charms. In love, someone wants to value you. I also see that even if you are single, other people are drawn towards you. People who are from different country or different cities, maybe from social media, people are attracting, because you are very independent. You're very independent and you're loving yourself, so people are being attracted towards you. A lot of people are coming towards you. Let's see your extra cards. A woman holding a coin. My God, it's all about money for you this week. I don't know what you are doing. It's self-worth, it is money, it is relief from, and relief from challenges. You also want to change, to relocate, you want to escape somewhere. I see you actually going on jogging this week, because I do see you going out because you are restless. You're a restless soul this week because you have a lot of energy. You have a lot of things in your mind, dreams. You want to work on them. So, sitting inside the home, working from home, oh my God, tough for you this week. So, some of you should go outside for jogging, for walks. The weather is good, so try that. I also feel that some of you should not make, be careful with money this week. Woman holding a coin. Money is coming your way, but you should save it rather than spend it. I also feel some of you are really worried about a job situation. It is coming, friends. Maybe you are thinking, will 2021 be different for your work and career? Yes, yes, it will be. It will be a way different year for you. You can check your other horoscope readings. I have started the 2021 charms horoscope readings. You can check yours. I will be putting more. I have uploaded like 6 or 5 of them already, so you can check that out. Adjacent possibilities. This is a time to look for new ways. This week you should look for new ways in your career, in your love life, and even in friendships. I do see some new friendships are coming your way because love is not on your mind. You are looking for friends you can share your ideas, or people who have the same interest like you, hobbies like you. So like-minded people are coming, and possibly you will meet them through social media, and they are not from your country or from your neighborhood. So yeah, new people are coming in your life. Friendships is the focus, finances is the focus, career is the focus, and someone wants to reach out to you. I don't know if you want to talk to them or not, but in love someone wants to balance out things with you. But I don't see that you will. I don't see you talking to anybody. I don't know why. It feels like, especially in love, you are like, nah, not interested. I have, I keep getting that songs. I have miles to go before I sleep. Have you heard that song? I have miles to go before I sleep. It has a repeating line. What's that line? Uh, There's a line that keeps repeating in this song, miles to go before I sleep. So, yeah, you should listen that song. You're busy this week. Morning affirmations. Say positive affirmations each morning to open the gate of manifestations. Yes, friends, you are making dreams. You are working on your plans, your goals, your future 2021. There is a lot on your mind this week. So I would suggest you to wake up in the morning, meditate, have some yoga, have jogging, go out, sit in the sun a little and connect with affirmations. You are trying to manifest something, and you will be lucky, definitely. And these endings, you're about to come out. If this has already, something has ended, suffering, pain, challenges, it has shifted. You're out of that energy. Let us see your charms. For pile number 1, what will happen this week for pile number 1? Oops. Okay. Let's see. Wow, you have again the stuck charm is coming again and again, the snowflake and the O. So yeah, I think you are stuck on a dream. You want something. Maybe you want that new job. Maybe you want a promotion. Maybe you want more money. Maybe you are stuck on somebody or something, and some relief is coming. Some relief will happen. Maybe you are stuck on a person, you want that person, that lover, but I think you should look for new opportunities, new people, new friendships. Number 24. Number 8, 18, 19, 24 are important for you. There is also C, there is also T, there is also E, and there is V. So, Wow, I can see cat. Maybe you are missing a pet that you had. Maybe, I'm sorry to say, maybe you lost a pet, or maybe you are missing your cat, your pet dog, or someone you know you had in the childhood or you lost recently. You're missing them. There is also the energy of Vas. Vas is like, maybe you are missing someone by the name Vas or Vaso, it can be a name for some of you. Vas is like, be positive. What are you feeling? What are you, life is full of, life is an empty cup. You can fill anything in it. So that is what it feels like, the vase. Life is an empty cup. What do you want to fill it with? Love, happiness, money, sadness, anger, pain. It's your choice. Cot. This reminds me of sine theta, cot theta. Cot. I do feel, friends, you should take some time to rest also this week, because you are really, really focused. Your focus is future, money, career, all those things, planning. You're not even thinking about yourself. I think birds are also important. Aves. Yes, you want to fly. You want to fly. I think you are not happy wherever you are living right now. Whether you are in a marriage, whether you are with parents. I don't know why. You want to fly. You want to fly free like a bird. It will happen, friends. Your dreams, you will achieve it. Just give it some time. Just give it some time. I know it's a lot of time. We are saying Scott might be important. Scott could be a name. So your alphabets are S, C, O, T, A, V, E. There's also the dark horse, friends. You are very strong. Believe in your strength. This is about you. You have come a long way. Number one, a new start is coming. And number 25, yes, number 25 is important. One is important. Maybe 25th of January is important. I also saw the number 24 here, so that could also be important. And number 12, so maybe 25th of December is important for some of you. So something might happen that time around the 25th of December. And you have the shoe. I think it is time for you to, shoes are also, I told you about jogging, releasing the extra energy you have, taking time to go out. I also see you very busy. You're like walking, walking, walking. Have you seen crabs on a seashore? They are always busy. They are walking to and fro with things in their, hands, claws. So yeah, they're busy people. You are also busy. I do see some of you might be buying some new shoes, maybe winter shoes, or maybe some shoes. Some shoes you are going to buy. Starfish, your wishes are coming true. This also reminds me, like, there is a sexual connection with someone. There is someone who really wants you, they really miss you, they feel very intensely about you. Starfish, they are stuck on you. This is the warrior. Look at that, the warrior. So I think you're fighting for yourself, your freedom, your happiness, your goals. I also feel that you want a person in love that fights for you and that doesn't give up. So you are very sure of what you want this week. And money, yes, money is coming your way. Dog, yes, pets are important, animals are important. And loyalty is also very important. You are looking for people who are loyal to you. Again, the mushroom, passion. You're very passionate, friends, and there is a passionate connection around you. So, yes, focus on that. I do see that uh, there is someone who feels very passionately about you, but you don't like them. I don't know why, because they are probably not emotionally very open. This is the drum beat. So, some sort of someone will try to get your attention this week. But I don't think so they'll be successful. Someone in love or in friendship wants your attention, but you are self focused. You are like, nah, I'm not bothered. The Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person could be important. Art is important, yes. Art, craft, hobbies, music, textiles, learning something new. what do you say, those IT things, coding. You're learning, friends. You're busy learning. The Five of Coins, yes, you don't want anybody who hurts you or who doesn't believe in you. You don't want that this week because you already have enough people who don't believe in you. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. I do feel someone will help you out this week. A new friendship or a friend or a colleague will help you out. Asia is important. Yes, some of you want to travel to Asia or you will connect with someone from Asia. Sage, yes, a spiritual teacher or mentor is coming for you, friends. Sage is also like, I see you buying some crystals, some sage, or incense, cleaning your areas. Three of Coins, also you are connecting with affirmations, so perfect things to do. Yeah. Three of Coins, yes, friends, people who are helpful are coming for you. Don't worry. Seven of Coins, yes, patience, friends. What you desire is coming. X, someone is stuck on you. The Starfish, someone is stuck, they don't want you to go. Maybe it is your twin flame, ex-husband, wife. Maybe it is someone you are married currently with. Maybe it is a friendship. July is also important for some of you. Cycles, yeah, there is a relationship which is moving in cycles. And you are fed up. You're like, I'm done with it. So this week your focus is on yourself. Whale, keep yourself large-hearted, friends. Keep yourself large-hearted. I know you don't want to this week, but yeah, Four of Cups, yes. This person is missing you. You also miss them, but you are happy where you are right now. You're happy focusing on yourself, and it's a good thing, friends. Let me just pull you one Romance Angels. Let me just pull you one extra card. Because there was very little about love, so I want to pull you one extra love card because it's like something is going in love, but it's not clear what is. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. So yeah, you are already with a person or you are going to meet someone new very soon in the future or you are already with them. So yeah, that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website and make sure to subscribe, like, share to win a free reading. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, let us see how this week will be for you from the 16th to the 22nd. It is a timeless reading, but let's see what will happen. It is also a charms reading. This is your advice card. This is your oracle messages. Let's see what's going on for peacocks. High Priestess, your intuition is very, very high, friends, this week. Yes, listen to your intuition. Listen to your... listen to your creativity, listen to your inner voice. This, your inner intuition, your heart, your soul is very strong this week. It could be a spiritual week. Let's see what else is happening. Ace of Spring, new start is coming for you, friends. Yes, there is a something, you are starting something new or you are feeling excited about something new in life. You know something is coming. You have a premonition, like something good is going to happen soon or now or very soon in the future. Wheel of Fortune, yes, things are shifting, friends. Things are shifting in your life in a positive way and you already feel it. You can feel it, right? You can feel it in your bones, you can feel it in your heart, like yes, things are going to get better. This is not how it always will be. The King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Wow, I do see a love connection or a friendship coming your way. Yes, definitely. I do see you falling in love with something you do, your work, your career. So you're gonna fall in love with it. You're gonna feel a reconnection with your art, your craft, your work, your business. Four of Winter. I do see that this is like a week where a lot is happening. So you should take some time to sleep and relax also. No, I do see that a lot is happening. See, High Priestess, Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands. Things are going high. The energy is very high. So take time to sleep and relax also. 10 of Spring. Okay, let's see all your cards. The 7 of Spring. And the Princess of Winter. So I feel you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. You could be these sun signs. I feel this week, friends, you are very, firstly, you're very busy. You have a lot of workload on you. You have a lot of responsibilities. I don't know why. It is like everyone wants to put their load on you. So you might need some extra sleep. That's why I was getting this. Like, you need some extra sleep. You should take that extra sleep. Because you are under pressure, a lot of pressure. People are going to put their weight on you or worries on you. You might be the agony aunt for a few people, or the agony uncle. So, friends, I don't know if you enjoy it or not, but it is going to happen. I also feel, friends, like there is a relationship which is very, very, which is quite at a very, I don't know, dead end. Should I say it is pressurized? A relationship is very pressurized at the moment for you, or in this week for you. I feel this person has been defensive, they have been running away from your love, and they have been too patient about it. They keep fighting or arguing with you. I don't know what's happening, but this person keeps running away from you. It feels like a twin flame connection with runner and chaser. You are chasing them, they run away. So I feel what is going to happen this week is, in that relationship, you are going to take a step back. And you are going to focus on yourself, on your life, changing your life, making it better. So that person is going to feel very strange. Like, what's happening? Why isn't this person chasing me? What happened? So they are going to message you. And they are going to message you and they are like, hey, how are you? They might drop a message online, they might visit you. So this person is like, why are you not chasing me? Because they are so used to your chasing. So they're gonna message you but it will only happen when you stop chasing this person. When you do that, they will come and message you. But I see you will not chase them this week. You are very busy in your own life. You have a lot of workload from others. If you are working, extra load may come. If you are a student, you might get extra projects. You might get some unexpected projects. You might get some other student is ill, so you might have to do their work. Your friend is ill, so you have to do their work. Good Lord, it's a busy week. It's a lot of work for you, friends. Get ready, sleep, eat well, listen to your intuition. Don't, you know, don't take on others, don't take on this person's stress or this relationship stress, because you have a lot on your plate. If you are married, you have a lot of things to look after. And probably your husband or wife might be busy, they are traveling, they are away from you, so you might have to look after the family. So you also might be starting a new business, you might also be shifting. So there is a lot happening, it's a shift. There is a lot of things happening. Things are moving ahead. You might be buying an automobile or something. I see you buying something, maybe a bicycle, maybe automobile, maybe some mobiles or something. I see you buying something. I see you working or learning it also. Maybe you are buying a laptop, you are learning how to use it, but or you are buying some spiritual books, you are learning, reading. So listen to your intuition. You are already busy, friends, and don't try to take others' pressure on you, especially a relationship's pressure on you. This is your week to choose yourself and accept help, delegate. I feel extra work is coming your way, friends. Absolutely. Even if you are a student, you might have to finish, or your boss might give you last end work like, hey, do this. So you have to. Someone might get ill, so you have to do their work also. You have to take care of them also. So get some rest and put yourself first. I do see, if you are single, a new person is trying to reach out to you, but you are like, you're cold, and I'm not interested. I'm too busy. This is a busy week, even though nothing much is happening astrologically, but we are very busy this week. In fact, pile one is also very busy. Door to value, you are putting yourself first. Yes, it is the right thing to do. I also see some of you will start to get some money from businesses you have started or jobs you have started. So some money is coming your way, which is a good relief for you. Positive luck is also with you. I also feel someone will compliment you, or something will happen which will push you positive. A positive motivation is going to come, and I think you are waiting for this lover or husband or wife to motivate you, but I don't think so. It is them who is going to motivate you. It is a stranger who is going to say, hey, you are exceptionally good at it, wow, you do an excellent job. And it's going to change your life. It is going to make you feel very motivated, lucky also. The second chakra, Archangel Ariel. Yes, you are very powerful and you are very lucky, and self love is very important. I feel you should take care of your body. I think your hairs also need some hair care, if you are a female, even if you are a man. It's like you're working since last few weeks or months. So this week, put yourself first. Put your health first, put your hair care, beauty, all those things first. Also, this is your week where you will be very lucky with money. So if you are into lotteries, you might win something. I also feel you could be at the right place at the right time. So listen to your intuition. Don't let other people stop you. Like if you are a student, you want to do something, your parents are like, no, don't do it. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition and take calculated risk. Don't be rash, irrational. Don't do that. Let's see your advice. Worthiness. Know that you deserve to receive good in all ways. See, you are worthy, friends. You are beautiful. You are amazing. You deserve all the love in the world, all the help in the world, all this good luck coming your way. I do see some of you may have your birthdays this week. So enjoy lots. Some of you will be like, the world isn't going through this. Why should I celebrate my birthday? I think this is the time to celebrate it, even if you are alone, because you are healthy. It's your birthday. It starts, it is your good time. It is your lucky time. Birthdays are very important, because they start your solar, another solar cycle for you. Yes, so believe in yourself. Let's see your charms. Pile number 2. I do see someone will be coming your way and trying to reach out to you, but you are like, nah, not interested. Pile number 2, what's happening for them? What's coming next for them? Pile number 2. Alright, anything else for pile number 2? Oh, wow. See, again the Wheel of Fortune is here. And let's see. I think you're not, there is a connection which is right in your life, or it is coming in your life if you are single, but it is not yet there. You are not ready for a connection right now, but you are becoming ready for a very important connection or relationship of your life. Day is important, yes. For some of you, you might be very busy in the daytime, so you should get some sleep in the night time. This also is the Fae world. Yes, some of you are connecting with fairies, some of you are connecting with the spiritual world, intuition. You might be getting your dreams, more dreams. You might also be connecting with what you say, your past loved ones, in spirit, So a lot of things are happening this week. Keep your eyes open. I told you some of you need your hair health. You need to look after yourself. It's like maybe you're changing your hair color to pink or to red or to what do you call this, reddish brown. I don't know, mahogany probably. You're changing your hair color, but I think your hair needs some boost, some nourishment. Take care of yourself, because you're busy taking care of everyone else, and you deserve all the love in this world. So take care of yourself, you first. DYEAF. So that's your word. And number 3 on the dice is important for some of you. Number 3. So yes, and there is also number 77. 77 is important for some of you. Number 37 is also important. So yeah, that could be your age or your some important numbers for you. Apple. Take care of your health. Stay positive. Think about yourself. Hello, I'm yours. Yeah. This person who is ignoring you, they will be coming back. They'll be like, hey, I want to talk with you. Why aren't you after me? uh, Reconciliation, pineapples. Yes, someone is going to reconcile with you. Blue cars. I do see a blue car is important for you. Maybe you are buying a car, maybe you are changing or getting it serviced, maybe you have forgotten that maybe your car service is due or something. I also see some of you buying some automobiles or phones, etc. Some maybe some related things to cars or something like that. Greenhouse, this reminds me that you are valuable. You're very important, friends. First, it is you're worthy. Take care of yourself. Be proud of who you are. The hat, yes, someone ask for help, friends. You have help available. Maybe if you ask spirit, they can help you. Universe can help you. There is also people who love and adore you. So don't worry, you're not alone. And also, you have the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is here also. You can see the card. You can see the charm. So yes, money is coming your way. Luck is coming your way. Prosperity, Lord Ganesha. You are very safe, friends. Don't worry. Some of you are worried about your future. Maybe you are alone, single from a long time. Maybe you are a single parent. Maybe you are married but things are not going so well. There is a lack of passion. So things will get better. Have some patience. Put yourself first now. Elephant. Elephant is like, listen. They have the large ears. They are very tuned with the intuition, elephants. So listen to your intuition. You also have the penny, which has the Casablanca on it written. Casablanca is a very beautiful movie also. I feel family is very important to you, and family, or someone is putting a lot of pressure on you. It is okay to choose yourself sometimes, even if they are family. Bouquet, yes, some of you might be getting some compliments, some fresh flowers or gifts from people. And look, my god, I told you something about mobile is important, and here is the mobile charm. I didn't know there are lots of charms in my bag. I don't see them. Look at that, it is a mobile charm. Thank you for confirming. Something about a mobile is there. Maybe you are buying or repairing, or you need a charger, so listen to your intuition. Maybe someone is going to call you. Maybe someone is waiting for your call. Make them wait, probably. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. The golden leaf, you are very important, friends. Value yourself, you are gold. Blue. Yes, blue is very important. Blue is also the color of intuition. Listen to your intuition. Take some rest. Also, Prince of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. Venus, focus on your health and beauty. Put yourself, friends, first. Put yourself first. Get some, spa done or something. Seven of coins. Yes, you are waiting. You should, you're waiting for some news or messages regarding money or job. It is coming, friends. It is coming. Maybe you're worried about money or finances. Eight of Cups, yeah, someone is missing you. You also miss this person. But I feel they are missing you more. Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. Both the card and this charm are here. Some endings, some pressure cooker situations. April is important. Maybe something happened in April. King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Eight of Air, yeah. This person is very restricted. They want to be with you. I don't know what's stopping them from being with you. Four of Cups. This person is really missing you. And again, the Venus charm. I think you both are connected to Venus, or you both are very emotional about each other. I also feel that you both like the similar things. You both are kind hearted, but I think this person is right now, this is a very right now you should look after yourself. There is twice a Venus charm, so I think you should look after yourself. You first. Four of Ears. Patience. Take some time. Four of Air. Here is the card, here is the charm. Again resonating. Friends, yeah, a friendship is important for you. Ask for a friend to help you out, to support you. Maybe a friend will call you and ask you for support, like, hey, can you do my extra homework? And you are like, no, 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 no. Maybe you should say no. You already have a lot of things going on. One of Wands, Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is also here. Something new is starting for you. Maybe some of you are starting some new business, or some idea is there, or some friendship is starting. Luck, yes, it will be a lucky friendship if you start any new friendship this week. Let's take some love message for you. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Yeah, your love life is affected by finances, and also maybe your person is affecting, they can't be with you because of their finances. So I think it is time to put yourself first, friends. Yeah. So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, and make sure to like, share, subscribe to win a free reading. If you subscribe our channel, you will win a free reading, and only those who subscribe will be able to win it. So yeah, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful shark, let us see what's coming next for you. This is your advice card. This is a charms reading. This is your oracle messages. I'll pull your charms shortly. Let's see what's going to happen for you. Wow, the ego, the devil, oh my god. This might be a week where you are feeling very, very powerful, very energized. You are in your power, in your control. 10 of autumn, very family oriented week, so a lot of family, a lot of members, family, friends. Maybe if you are single, you are thinking what it means to have a family, what, do you really want to be in a family? So a lot about family is important. I also feel if you are married, your husband or wife or someone in your family is behaving egoistically this week, like a devil they are behaving. So get ready. Princess of Summer, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel, friends, you have two energies. Some of you, pile number 3, will feel very sensitive this week, and you may not like power struggles or someone behaving egoistically around you. You will not like it because you are very sensitive this week. For others of you, you may feel very powerful and very egoistic this week, so others may be a little scared of your power because you could be the shark or someone else could be the shark to you. It depends on 50-50. Some of you are the shark for other people and they are scared. For others, you are this beautiful butterfly and there's a shark in front of you and you are like, oh my god, what's going on? So this is quite a sensitive week for you, I feel. The Chariot, things moving forward. Travel is important. Someone is traveling towards you. Yeah, I feel some news, some messages. Some person is traveling towards you. 3 of Cups. I do feel some of you might have your birthdays this week, or maybe recently you had a birthday but you were not able to celebrate it. So it might happen this week. Maybe it is your birthday this week. I also see friends coming to visit you, you going out, having a party with friends. I also see, friends, some of you are in third party situations in your love life, and that person could behave very egoistically, like a devil. They don't want you to go, they don't want the other person to go. Maybe the third party is their family, so your person and their family has become like a triangle situation. Whew. Let's see. Oh my god, Tower, life experience. So this is like 3 major arcanas already. I do feel, friends, you should be careful this week because someone, there could be something unexpected happening this week. Like, it could be good or bad. We will see. But I would say you should be careful because some sort of an unexpected thing may happen. Like someone might behave angrily. Someone might throw their tantrums or ego, or you are hurrying and you might bump your foot or something. So be careful, be patient. Also, you are very emotional this week, and at the same time you are very, very passionate. So it is like a contrast. You are passionate, you are emotional. You are too passionate, you are too emotional. So it's a contrast. You need to stay balanced. The Queen of Winter, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. I feel, friends, there is someone who is quite stuck on you. This person is obsessed about you. It could be a family person, like your family. If you are a student, your family doesn't, if you are a child, young person, your family doesn't want you to go out, travel, or maybe shift or relocate because they are obsessed about you, or they are a little possessive about you. They want to protect you, but something, you might not like it. So some anger issues may happen, some fights may happen, like a tower movement suddenly. I also feel some of you may have some uninvited guests at home, like you were not planning to have guests, but they are there, so you can't do it. You will enjoy their company, but you might be surprised, like, what, guest coming at home? Really? Yeah, really. I also feel you might have to travel by chance or by because you are supposed to travel, it's destiny, you are not planning, but you might have to. Maybe your friends are calling out for a reunion or a freshers party or something, and you are like, what, don't call me out, I don't want to go, but they are calling you, so you have to. I also feel, friends, there could be a tower movement in your marriage also, or in a relationship. There is this person who is behaving quite egoistically and quite, sorry to say, stupidly this week, so be careful. They can hurt your emotions if you are all very sensitive about them. So be bold. Put some shield on you, friends. This is perfect week for you to shield your emotions and to be very strong, because otherwise things can affect you. There is also the tower, there is also family, there is also a lot of love here. So focus on protecting yourself. Focus on being bold and courageous. I also feel that someone, you might be trying to reach out to someone in love. Like you keep messaging to someone, you're very nice, you're very kind to that person, but they keep refusing to answer you or reply you back, or they are very egoistically like, who, I don't care, So I would suggest that this this week, if you message them very innocently and very sweetly, and they reply back in anger or ego, it might trigger you. So you have to be careful. You have to be careful because it will hurt your sweetheart. I do see someone can hurt your sweetheart. It could be a friend, it could be a colleague, it could be a family member or a twin flame or a husband or wife. So be like this queen or king of air. Like, yeah, yes, my shields are on. I'll fight it. I'll fight it. I'm not sensitive. Attachment, yes. Someone you don't want to let go of somebody, and they don't want to let go of you. You both are very obsessed about each other. The man holding a heart, 45. You love them. They also love you. There is someone who is very loving and possessive about you, but some things are not balanced in this connection, or in this friendship, or in this family situation. You both love each other. The love is very strong. The passion is also very strong. Some celebrations will come, some happy. This is a happy, sad week for you, friends. I have to be honest here. This is like celebrations. This is like, ooh, what happened? I don't know. Happy, sad. Someone can hurt you, someone can make you smile. You might also have to travel. And yes, this person definitely likes you. They will try to message you, or you are trying to, win this person's heart. You want to marry them. You're super attached to this person, but they are behaving in their ego. Let's take your advice. Make a decision. Feeling stuck or indecisive, listen to your intuition, make a decision. Yeah. I do feel the decision this week for you is to stand bold, to be protective about yourself. Don't be too egoistic or too emotional. Stay in the balanced. Otherwise things can hurt you. Let's see what else. Empowerment. You are more powerful than you realize. It is safe for you to be powerful. Friends, you are this shark. You may be a baby shark, but you are still a shark. Believe in yourself, friends. You are very powerful. Don't let anybody tell you that you are not strong, Let's take some love message, and then I'm going to pull your charms. Any love message for pile number 3? Because I feel love is something is happening in your love life. Romantic feelings, your feelings are real and worth exploring. Yeah, you know this person loves you, they keep denying it. You know that, it's plain and evident. Don't beg someone's love, that's what I feel. I do feel this person can trigger your anger. Even your family members can, because they are too protective about you this week. You have to tell them, I'm strong, I can look after myself, I'm there for myself. Option number 3, what's happening for them? Okay, let's see. Wow, you have 2 health charts, so health is important. Letters, let's see first your alphabets. C. There is N-E and there is knee. There is knees. I don't know if it means anything. There is also S again, double S. Let me pull some more charms. There are very few charms for you. So number 3. What's going to happen for option number 3? Oh, again, very few charms. I think very few things. That's how it is to be. I can't help it. T and P, and again this is stuck in it. Let's see. Some of you might be teenagers, or you are dealing with teenage kids, or in the family there are teenagers. So some of you are having, it is tough for you to control them, or to just, teenagers are also very smart. They are adults, if you treat them like adults, they behave better. That's what I feel. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but yeah, so it could lead to some issues if you treat them like a baby. And what else? 10 might be important for some of you, number 10, or maybe Tennessee. Tennessee is a place that might be important somewhere. America, UK is important for you. Some other country or cities are important. Ship is also important. Some of you want to travel, or some news from foreign or other countries are important for you. Yes, messages and news are coming. Pineapple, yeah, you're missing someone. Someone is also missing you. I do feel you might try to message them, or they might try to message you. There is also the health chart. So I feel, someone is very addicted to you, even though they don't show their love. They really love you, even though this is like the devil, controlling their heart, not showing you their emotions. They love you, but they control it, they control their emotions. So definitely, I also feel someone new could be entering your life very soon. So yeah, you also have the blue and red card. I feel, listen, you have both energies, emotions and passion. So listen, keep them in balanced. You also have yellow, stay positive. Don't let other people's drama affect you. Let's see the letters. You have a lot of numbers actually. Number 18 is important. Number 19 is important. So 18, 19 is important. It is in this week, 18, 19. Number 15 is also important. Number 1 is also important. Number 26 is also important. Wow. That's interesting. Lots of numbers. Number 7 is also important for you. You have the pink hat. So, you are very powerful, friends. Your power is that your kindness is your power. So, don't let others tell you that you shouldn't be kind or you are too soft. Don't believe that. Don't believe that. Be who you are and stand up for who you are. The dark horse, I think some of you are like the dark horses in the family, like your choices. People don't really understand you, or I feel you are doing well, friends. You are doing well in your life, so why worry so much about what others say? I also feel that dark horse is also that something will test you or surprise you. But remember, you are very strong, so you have nothing to worry. Guitar pick, I think some of you might want to start a new career in music, singing, dancing, photography, media, or some of you are attracting, or your lover is a musician, artist, so art is important, media is important, craft is important. Mother, yeah, mother is important. I told you some of you may have family is important. Some of you are facing issues with family this week. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. We also have the Princess of Cups here. What else? August is important. Yes, for some of you August is important. Venus is important. Love is very important. You're very sensitive, friends. You have a kind heart, and it's okay, it's perfect to have a kind heart. Even I have people tell me I should be this, I should be that. I don't listen to them. You shouldn't also. Patience, yeah, be patient. Things are working in your favor. Prince of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is also important for some of you. Tiger, yes, you are very bold. Believe in yourself. Be like the tiger. Be like the shark. June is also important. So you got August and June. Both are important. What else? One of Cups, yes, there is a new start coming in a relationship. There is someone who wants a new start, or you want a new start. I also see it could be a new love coming your way. Some of you are having a new love. Snake, yes, some changes are coming. Some you are changing your life. Some things are transforming. Dolphin, stay happy, stay balanced. One of Wands, Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups. You have to balance your passion and your emotion this week, friends. It's very necessary. Two of Wands. It is, you have to stay mature. And with people, different people, you have to choose different. You have to be strong with some people this week, and you have to be emotional with some people this week. It is up to you with whom you do, and don't mix it up, because otherwise, firecrackers, some drama will happen. So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, and let me know if if you enjoyed this reading, if it resonated, and join us on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe, like and share, because that will help you to win a free reading at the end of this month. And this is Mystic C saying bye.